Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to enable log monitoring in the Dynatrace. So let's get straight into it. Now first thing what you need to do is basically navigate to the settings. You will find this on the left hand sidebar. Click on it on the settings, and now what you are going to do here is basically the simplest way is to find in here in these search settings right here, and we will type in monitored. So we are searching for monitored technologies. So if you navigate through the settings, then you need to find here monitoring and then monitored technologies. So it's easier to search this way. Now we click on this monitor technologies and we need to find log monitoring. Now on the right side, you will see basically the pencil icon. So click on that as an edit. And now what we want is basically a toggle for enable log monitoring across all one agents in your environment. So this needs to be switched on. And as you can see, it is. And yeah, this is pretty much it, how to enable log monitoring. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next